Hello and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm very proud to share with you our results in the premium gold signals channel on Telegram. We actually have done really so well. Let me just show you the results right in front of you. So here, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 100% in profit. I mean, maybe we have here a small loss, but I mean, it's like 98% in profit. That was really fantastic and outstanding performance from Xtreme Trader. You surely have made profits with us this week. However, Thursday and Friday, we actually had 3 losses. And again, for the gold scalping, this is really nothing compared to the profits that we are actually making in the channel. So again, I believe it was excellent performance, and we hope to actually continue serving you with the best signals possible. Actually, we even had a great feedbacks from our clients. We have it here, I think, in the free group, exactly this one. As you can see, this guy, he have spent $127. I think he paid for 3 months maybe. He joined actually Forex signals and premium gold signals, and he have made $600 under 24 hours. I believe this is really great and outstanding performance again from Xtreme Trader Signals. So again, if you guys wish to join our premium gold signals channel, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Alright, so let's now analyze the gold. And by the way, my friends, yesterday I have sent a deal to sell the gold from 2639, and as you can see so far, this signal is running in around 70 pips of profit. But to be honest also, when I made the video, the gold was somewhere right here and then instantly hit the take profit level, and that is actually disqualify this signal because our take profit level has already been approached. To be honest with you, frankly speaking, I was so lucky that the signal went well after all. But usually it fails if it reverses and reach the take profit level after reversing from the take profit level. That's the reason I actually have sent an update here on my Telegram informing my followers that this signal has already hit the take profit level without reach the sell level. This signal is no longer valid. That's the reason I'm telling you it's very important to join our free Telegram channel to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. This channel, my friends, is free of cost. Here is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So make sure to join us right now and stay connected to Xtreme Trader team to receive any updates or notifications or even changes about these signals on YouTube. However, now what's next with the gold? That's the question. Actually, it is right here. Let me just now show you what we can do next with the gold. This is actually from my own analysis on the bear. This is the old analysis, of course, because right now we can no longer buy the gold, and I will show you why. Let's now move to the weekly chart. So here is the weekly chart is showing me something very interesting. First of all, what we can see right here is, of course, that the gold right now is actually on a real level of a support, which has been followed later with the fake breakout. So when the market has made here a bearish breakout from this level of the support, we thought that the gold will respect this level of a previous support and then creates a new level of a resistance. But nope, it didn't happen. Instead, we have ended up with a bullish engulfing candle. So that means that we have ended up with a fake breakout. That's why we can see that the gold right now is reversing over the last 2 weeks, has actually been reversing exactly right here at the same level of a real support, respecting that area. But there is a lot of pressure on this area right now because over the last weeks, the gold kept making attempts to actually break out from it. Not only that, but also on daily chart, we can see a very clear head and shoulders pattern has been completed. And that also adds even more pressure on the gold to continue the fall. And right here also we can notice that we had also a real level of a resistance, to be precise exactly at 2,658. So meaning over the last week, actually even more than that, since 27th of November, the gold is trying to break out from this level of a resistance. So actually, to be honest, it was really one boring week for the gold because it actually has been ranging at this area. It was running just in a neutral channel, as you can see like this, the entire week, and it was just like unable to make a decision to break out from this area. But in my opinion, with the pressure that we are seeing based on the weekly chart and daily chart, most likely right now the gold will continue the fall. And now let's talk about the price actions, because here the weekly chart is showing me this inverted hammer, which usually a good sign that the gold, or actually the market, most likely is going to continue the fall. For example, if you are actually on a resistance level and you are actually on the weekly chart, if you see this candle like that, of course, with the small wick at the top and longer tail at the bottom, it's usually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish reversal. And as we can see right now, after the appearance of this candle, the gold kept falling down to another total of was 1,740 pips. So that means that this candle is indeed making pressure on the market. Let's now move to the daily chart. So here on daily chart, we of course have here a resistance area, as we have said before. Now pay attention. Here we have almost the same candle has appeared, even right here. So we have here multiple candles, or price action indicates that the gold will continue the fall. Not only that, but let's now move even to the 4-hour time frame, and I would like to show you something. So this is actually one of the techniques that you can apply to find the real direction of the market. This is the 4-hour time frame. Look at this. How many candles did it take the gold to rise from 2617 until 2714? Let's see how many candles was that. That was, my friends, 23 candles. Now pay attention. That has been eliminated by just 5 candles. The market fell down the entire same amount that it took from the gold to rise to 1,000 pips. It happened within just 5 candles. So we moved from 23 candles to only 5 candles. And that tells you that the gold is actually under a lot of pressure from the bearish movement. Keep going. For example, here we have the gold actually has been growing, as you can see in this channel right here. How many candles did it take the gold to rise from 2633 until 2654? That took the gold around 16 candles. Within just 2 candles, that all has been wiped out. So again, when you see a lot of blue candles being eliminated directly by strong bearish candles, it tells you that the bearish movement is actually stronger than the bullish. So that tells us that the gold most likely right now will be actually bearish. Check this out. Every single time the gold made a strong rise, or it took actually a lot of candles, then instantly one candle eliminating the entire work of the gold. That, as we can see, happening almost the entire time. Every time the gold rises, boom, a strong bearish candle happen. So we are looking to short the gold right now for the upcoming week, and hopefully this time is going to be a good deal. Now, from my point of view, we have to look at the real, or actually the strongest levels of a resistance in this pattern. Where is the strongest level that we can see of a resistance? In my opinion, it lies exactly right there, to be precise. Actually, daily chart not showing us the direction. Or sorry, I made a mistake. Weekly and daily chart usually showing us the direction. Now what we will do is simply move to the 4-hour time frame to find the entry. So we cannot really decide the entry based on daily chart. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here on the 4-hour time frame, we have to look at the strongest real level of a resistance to start shorting the gold. In my opinion, the strongest level is actually lies right here exactly at the resistance of 2,666. As you can see, the market has always been respecting that level of a resistance. Then we have here a real level of a support, which has been followed later with a fake breakout. Then another real level of a support, which was really minor. Again, every single time the gold reached this level, it was actually creating a minor support, then instantly being broken out from. But when it became as a resistance, the reversal was instant. Instantly the gold fell down again. So right now, the gold, since it's actually on a support level right here, there is a possibility that the gold actually might rise on Monday to reach the exact same level of a resistance. Here we have a resistance number 1. Then we can look to short the gold exactly at the resistance number 2. And this time we can actually hope for the best. And most likely the gold will continue to fall till it reaches the bottom of the support at 2,562. Alright, so, but we need actually another sort of confirmation on that, because the gold actually has a chance to even reverse before reaching our sell level at 2,666. Let me just see where exactly we can sell the gold. So, by looking at the resistance trend line that we have right here. Look at that. The resistance trend line is showing me that the market has actually been respecting this area all the way. So here we have a real level of a resistance trend line, and then when the market has made a bullish breakout from that area, it instantly broke out from it with a zero attempt of the support trend line. But however, as a resistance trend line, how many attempts we have? We have attempt number 1 of a resistance trend line, number 2, 3, 4, 5. So now if the gold, upon the pressure of the current support, makes a pullback, most likely it will actually respect the same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward it will continue the fall. So now we need to look at the left side to find a strong key level of a resistance that we can rely on. Well, in my opinion, that can be found right here exactly. This level of a resistance right here, to be precise. Right there, fantastic. Let me just be sure I'm accurate. Exactly at 2649. Check this out. So this was of course a real level of a support, and here of course we have multiple attempts of a resistance actually happened. So now if the gold will continue to rise, it actually has a chance to reach the same level of a resistance trend line, plus facing the whole lot here of a resistance levels. After that, the gold most likely will continue the fall. Even from what we can see right here also, we have a broken level of a support trend line. That's really good. Based on the 4-hour time frame, we have here also another broken level of a support trend line, as you can see. So the gold actually has a chance to continue to rise again, to retest the broken level of the support trend line, and afterward will continue the fall. So a lot of signs says that the gold will continue the fall, and we are looking to short the gold till it reach the strongest key level of a support at 2,590, which means we are actually aiming around 580 pips profit with the signal, and a safe zone that in this case shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance right here exactly at 2671, ranging for around 215 pips only. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the gold, and I really hope it's going to be a good week for us in the gold. And again, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about the signal. This is the channel, or you can just simply find it in the link below of this video. Don't forget also to check our results in the premium gold signals. To actually, you can join the premium gold signals to receive any updates about to receive up to 5 scalping signals every day on the gold. And also we are really happy to share with you the feedbacks of our clients. You can also find it here in the free channel on Telegram. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.